Wink holders doing one big mistake in this day, especially 30 April, my friend. This is the last day of this month. So wink holders starting selling now. Exactly, this is one of the big question, my friend. A lot of holders to what we do sell, hold, or buy, but a lot of holders starting selling very fastly, my friend. So therefore, you can see the wink link is completely fails down, and this day you can see here this time in the last 24 hour fails down minus 3.96% fails down. So what we do in this critical situation, sell, hold, or buy. If you are start selling, then exactly a wink link is completely fails down, and they cannot give you very good profit, my friend. So this time you can see here in the last 7 days chart I open, and but before I request you, my brother, please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you are new, my brother, please click you just one time click the subscribe button, and I update you every time. Just every time I guide you, every time press bell icon also for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribe, thank you so much for like this video and press bell icon, my friend. This time you can see last 7 days chart is open, and you could see here they are moving like a rocket. You can see here they moving at this circulation. After a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So every cryptocurrency is moving that, but this time you can see here they completely starting jumping time, but people starting selling. So this is very big mistake to you sell it. If you sell it, and this time if you are a short time investor, and exactly I think this is good time for you to use sell it. But if you are a long time investor, then I think this is very bad time to use sell it, because this time the price is very badly falls down, my friend. And this month, especially this month, every cryptocurrency is moving very badly falls down. So therefore I want to tell you, my friend, to this month the price is cannot increase very highly, my friend. Wing coin price cannot increase very fastly. So kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for the next month, my friend, my holder. Please wait for next month. I hope they give you very good profit, they make you millionaire. So don't waste your time, please hold it, okay? And this is my opinion, please. And I cannot, this is not a financial video. If you want to, this is a research, if you want to invest in research personally, exactly this is good for you to use research personally. Twitter, Google, Instagram, everywhere you should research personally for wing, and knowledge about the wing coin, and then we decide to this is good for investing or not in those days. So my friend, in upcoming days my prediction is that today going up, wing is completely going up, change occur as 71.17%. This is non-stop moving, my friend. I hope they go in the moon. The good time is coming soon. So please hold it, don't sell it, don't do this mistake, hold it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care.